My name is John from Dow Honda Service. I'm a service advisor as well as a licensed technician of 20 years. Today we're going to be talking about tires, more specifically what to look for on your tires that are telltale signs as to whether or not they need replacement or something is wrong with your vehicle. Here we have a summer tire, and we'll focus on this for a minute. We can see here in this tire how most of the tire has an even wear profile, but essentially here it does not. Now this ultimately would warrant replacement as well as some other things like an inspection, a suspension inspection, and potentially an alignment. You know, when we're looking at whether it be summer tires or winter tires, we're looking for the same even wear across the tread, which is going to give us an idea as to how well our vehicle is aligned and operating on the road to ensure that, you know, it's giving us optimum traction. We'll go back now to the winter tire. Here we see this winter tire, a brand new tire, has excellent even profile across the entire width of the tire. That is what we are always looking for. We're also looking to see the depth of these treads. There is a ministry standard. There are wear bars that determine when your tires do need replacement. In this case, this is as good as this tire is going to get since it's new. This maximizes the traction that you're going to get in snow and slush. And all of these channels, what they are designed to do is evacuate debris and wet slop in the winter time to basically ensure that you're getting the tire down to the road for optimum traction. If you are uncertain of the condition of your tires, please call us at 613-237-2777 or visit us at 1 Colonnade Road. A service advisor or a licensed technician would be happy to help you determine if your tires are working for you. Thank you and have a good day.